Good afternoon. Today we see the topic of approach of economic analysis. In this topic, we will see two types of approaches of economic analysis. One is microeconomics approach and second one is macroeconomic approach. There are two main branches of economics. One is microeconomics and second one is macroeconomics. The terms of microeconomics and macroeconomics were used by economics Professor Ragnar Frisch in 1933. Microeconomic approach firstly used by the father of economics Adam Smith. And macroeconomics approach is used by James Keynes in 1936 in his famous books, The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money. First we will see, we see microeconomic approach, meaning and definition. The word micro is derived from the Greek word micros, which means small, single or particular. So microeconomic studies about small things or particular units in the economy. Microeconomics is a branch of economic analysis which studies the economic behavior of the individual unit or a particular household या firm. Second approach, macroeconomics. The meaning of the macroeconomics, the word macro is derived from the Greek word macros, which means large, total, or aggregate. So, macroeconomic studies about the large things or the whole economy. Macroeconomics approach is used by James Keynes in 1936 in his famous books The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money. In his books, James Keynes analyzed each economic concept broadly, means considering the whole economy. Suppose national income, macroeconomics is a branch of economic analysis which studies the behavior of not one particular unit but of all the unit combined together. It means studies the behavior of the economy as a whole. Thank you.